the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, the 5th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Another glorious day for the Phoenix Open out at the TPC in Scottsdale today. And a lot of people will be having Super Bowl parties in and outdoors. What kind of weather are we looking at for today? Well, we'll talk about that. Plus, we do have a warming trend to get into. We'll discuss that and more as we look outside this morning here at 5 a.m. Partly cloudy skies out there right now. 52 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 34. Relative humidity 50%. The winds are light. The barometer 30 inches and falling. Temperatures around south central Arizona and here in the valley this morning. 41 at Fort McDowell, the usual cool spot. 43 Maricopa. And it's in the 40s in parts of the West Valley, but most of us are above 50 degrees at this hour. A few high clouds right now across central and eastern Arizona, and we'll see some increase in clouds later today again as well. The watch warning map features a pretty quiet scenario nationwide, some dense fog across South Texas, parts of Oklahoma. A little bit of winter weather out here in the west and some wind advisories as well. But overall, the nation is fairly quiet, and we see that on the convective outlook as well. A little thunder possible from the Arklatex east toward western Alabama today. So here we go with the details of our weather. Let's take a look at it, break it down in more detail as we look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock today. Trough of low pressure moving on shore to the Pacific Northwest, and as a result, we'll see some increase in clouds here today, especially by this afternoon. We'll call it partly sunny. Highs getting up into the mid-70s. The GFS has us at 76 this afternoon. That seems about right. And a pretty dry air mass. No rain chances or anything crazy like that. Tonight, partly cloudy, mild conditions. We'll have lows in the upper 40s to mid-50s. So we'll be well above normal again. Tomorrow, that trough moves across the Intermountain West, and a little bit of that will clip northern Arizona. Just enough forcing or dynamics there to warrant a very small chance of a rain or snow shower from, say, Flagstaff north to the Grand Canyon, Page. But overall, I'd say our weather will be fairly quiet tomorrow again. Partly sunny skies will continue and high temperatures backing off just a bit, the upper 60s and low 70s. On Tuesday, Pacific weather systems continue to pass by to the north. We'll have a few clouds around, but overall, the sky just partly cloudy and high temperatures will again be in the upper 60s and low 70s. On Wednesday, high pressure builds back in across the southwest, so readings will be warming back into the low and middle 70s. On Thursday, we'll be in the mid to upper 70s, could even get close to the 80-degree mark. Friday, the latest guidance coming in with a high of 82, and the sky partly sunny, as again, weather systems will be passing by to the north, and even though high pressure will be in control, can't rule out at least some cloud cover, but that shouldn't really slow down our temperature trends. Saturday, warm and dry, partly cloudy skies, high temperatures in the low to middle 80s in spots. And this is a week from today, Sunday, February 12th. The idea of a cutoff low developing across the southwest. That's been advertised for the last several runs off the GFS. And certainly, I suppose this is possible. But more than likely, ridging will prevail over the western states. We see that here. And any sort of cutoff low feature, that's almost impossible to forecast anywhere 7 days out or more. This is Monday, February 13th. That low continues to deepen and move a little bit to the south across northwest Mexico. And yes, if this verified, we may have some unsettled weather to talk about, certainly some clouds and cooler temperatures and a small chance of rain. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Tuesday the 14th. But again, confidence in this just not overly high. We will say high pressure should be in control of the western states, and I would still opt for the idea of temperatures to be above normal. Maybe some kind of weather mischief out here as we head toward the end of the weekend and into the following week. All right, temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble, above normal. That's the overall theme here with very little chance of rain. Look at that. The ensemble has us getting up to 85 next Saturday, and that's certainly a possibility. That's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Be safe out there and have a great Sunday.